Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm Shalu Joshi Bhardwaj. Today I'm giving you the band booster vocabulary about COVID disease. It's very prevalent nowadays, so it's quite possible that you may be asked about this thing in your speaking exam, or you may have to write some essay on it. So you can use such words and improve your essay. So, but before moving ahead, please subscribe to my channel and click the bell button. All set? Let's start. COVID-19 outbreak came into light. When you need to introduce your essay or you need to start your essay, you can start it like this, that outbreak came into light when Chinese authorities they detected so many cases or something like that. Okay. Next is worryingly enough, it has spread to the extent that WHO, World Health Organization, had to declare it pandemic. Worryingly enough, to start your sentence with this, starting the sentence with adverbials. It's a nice way. This way you can change your structure in the paragraph. It has spread to the extent means it has spread so widely that World Health Organization had to declare it a pandemic. Pandemic is something, a disease which has spread globally. Okay. Then you can give the symptoms like acute respiratory illness develops with persistent cough and high grade fever. Acute respiratory illness. It means that it spreads very fast and very severely to the respiration means to the lungs. The illness is to the lungs or related to the breathing. It develops with persistent cough. It's a nice collocation. Persistent cough and high grade fever. Okay. Then the patients with underlying medical conditions are more vulnerable to this disease. This is again a nice sentence in which you're telling that the patients who are already suffering from few conditions, the medical illnesses, they are more prone to this disease, means more vulnerable to this disease. Okay. This contagious disease, again, contagious disease is nice collocation through droplets or aerosols, contact transmission, and fomite. So these are the few this topic related vocabulary. Okay. Then is there may be super spreaders too. Means super spreader is a patient who can very fastly distribute the disease or transmit the disease to others. Okay. So this ways you can use these words too. The virus develops new strains rapidly. So the scientists they have found that the virus is changing. So that is the word which is used for the virus. New strain, new form. It means okay. The stringent actions to maintain social distancing are being imposed by the civil authorities to break its chain of spread in the communities. So this is again the sentence which is giving so much information that the stringent actions means the strict actions. To do what? To maintain the social distancing. Social distancing is another word which came into light with this COVID-19 disease, are being imposed by the civil authorities to break this chain of community spread or spread in the communities. Okay. Then it has adversely affected the economies across the globe. So this is about the effect of COVID on the nations, different nations or economies of different nations. Means it has very badly affected it. Then outbreak preparedness and the response is costing a lot of money to the government. You can use these sentences in while stating that how is has it affected the nations. Okay. Again, outbreak preparedness means to prepare the countries or to prepare the teams to fight with this disease and response and is costing money to the government. Then to contain the outbreak, it means to stop its spread. This is again a beautiful phrase. Government imposed lockdown. Lockdown means total shut or curfew, and issued guidelines to wear masks in the public and quarantine the suspected cases. Quarantine means to isolate the suspected cases. The anxiety of being infected by this disease and idea of self-isolation is also terrifying. So means what this is stating the impact of such ideas on the people's mind, on the mind of the people. Then the scientists are doing the best to make the vaccine for this deadly virus. So means vaccine has yet not been prepared, but vaccine is the word again which is used in this context. So all these are the words which you can use in your essay or in your speaking exam, and you can score very well. That's all for now. Stay motivated, keep watching, keep practicing. Good luck, guys.